When doing an engine swap with a GMLS engine and installing an aftermarket oil pressure gauge, it can be tough to find the right fitting for the top rear port on the engine. Luckily for us, Earl's GM oil pressure gauge adapter fittings make it an easy task. The GMLS engine uses a 16mm by 1.5mm port on top of the rear of the engine. This odd size coupled with the location makes it tough to install an electric oil pressure sensor or hose without adding a bunch of adapters. Earl's oil pressure gauge adapters make it easy to fit a pressure sensor, -3 or -4 hose to the port on the block. Its black anodized 2024 T8 aluminum construction is more durable than the 6061 T6. These fit all GM LS series engine blocks. These metric adapters are a straight thread design, which means they should be sealed with a crush washer, unlike MPT threads, which are tapered and are normally sealed with pipe sealant or plumber's tape. Make that LS engine swap a breeze with Earl's GM oil pressure gauge adapters. Thanks for watching. For more adapters and fittings, visit earlsplumbing.com.